I'm going to show you how we took this table and turned it into a larger top. Took it to the shop, my brother's shop, and he started by cutting the ends off of the table. And then he cut it lengthwise. And then here we are gluing together some pine boards that were kiln dried. So we had to put those together and let them dry. After they were dry, we planed them down to the same thickness of the existing table. And we are running it through the joiner. And we cut them down, and there you can see the two new pieces we put in. And he used dominoes and glue to hold it good and tight. And then we took clamps and clamped it together and left that to dry for quite a while. Had a nice tight fit. Then after it was dry, we cut it down to size and then routed the edges. And then we had to sand the entire table down. And there's the fun part, sand, sand, sand. Put the marks on, you sand till the marks are gone. It keeps that planer sander that we had, keeps from having swirls. And there's the stain that I used. It's called briar smoke. Gave it one good coat, and then we put a clear coat of vinyl on the entire table. I believe we put 2 coats, and then I topped it off with the wax and then screwed it back down, and there you go. I love how it turned out.